I'm Dean. And I'm Macy. We're going to launch trains and marbles on this cool ramp. First, we're going to do the trains, and second, we're going to do the marbles. Now we're going to introduce our trains and marbles. Here's Henry. Here's Edward. Here's Timothy. Here's Ben. Here's Toby. Here's Emily. Here's Percy. And here's Thomas. And the marbles are Starry Night, yellow, green, Candy Star Night, blue rock, dark green, feather, and magical feather. Now let's start racing. First, let's do the train. She crashed on the side. Ben is next. Silly Ben. Where does this one go? Oops, I introduced this one wrong. This is Bill, not Ben.
That sneaky engine. Whoa!
Next is Henry. And the last one is, oh, Timothy, not Edward. Oh, Timothy bumped the edge. Next, it's your turn to do the train, Macy. Of yours. First is Percy. Next is Thomas. And next is Emily. Next is Toby. He's standing on his head.
All right, we're gonna do a quick track change. Now for the marble jump over the teeter-totter.
First is Starry Night.
Let's do all four.
Oops, I put them in the wrong order. Okay, first is Starry Night from Henry's team. Second is...
Did it make it over? I
I didn't see.
All right, let's do it again.
Next is Yellow from Edward's team. No, he did not make it over. I saw he crashed.
Did he make it over the bar?
No.
And the teeter-totter?
He did this.
Ooh. Okay, next one.
Next is Green from Timothy's team. Oh, that one did
that was
really
cool.
good. That one did awesome.
You wanna reset the teeter-totter?
Yes.
All right.
And the last one is Candy Star Night.
Ooh, it did it too.
Yeah, just like green. Now it's your marbles turn, Macy. First is the one from Percy. No, stand over there! Only if you're launching.
Go ahead, launch your next one, Macy.
That was called Magical Swirls. The start.
Dean, you can help out with the names on the marbles if you want.
Next is, oh yeah, that's see-through blue. I called it the wrong.
Perfect! You got the
Perfect.
teeter-totter. Here, reset it. Reset the teeter-totter.
Reset the teeter-totter.
Ready? Which one's that one?
I'll tell her. Dark green.
Oh, both of you, the last two, did the teeter-totter. All right.
Your trains!
That was fun.
Metaphor.